Thank you, sir. I thank you and the party for giving me the opportunity to speak on the motion of thanks to the President's address to both houses of Parliament, sir. Not specific to any region, state or country, but across the globe.
Just a moment, Krishna. Just a moment.
चेयरमैन सर, इन्होंने ये कहा कि ब्रिटिश शासन का वीर सावरकर ने समर्थन किया, भागलपुर के सदन की बात कही। मैं क्रिस्प मिशन के बाद जो कांग्रेस और ब्रिटिश रूल में समझौता हुआ वो कागज लेकर आया हूं सर। क्या मैं कहूं कि ब्रिटिश के पिट्ठू थे कांग्रेस?
मैं भी दिखाता हूं।
की बात को मैं कोट करूं,
मुझे भी
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं
मुझे भी मौका दिया जाए, मुझे भी मौका दिया जाए।
चर्चा राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण पर हो रहा है। नहीं नहीं, ये कुछ नहीं जाएगा। Now we are discussing the honorable president.
Sir, we are not. I am not
our discussion.
Only thing is, I want a
Everybody is interested in history.
clarification. I want a clarification from Nishikant Dubey ji.
That we can discuss.
Whether, sir, just 1 minute, 1 minute, sir.
Sri Krishna ji,
whether Veer Savarkar, he asked for maafi from the British government when he was in
Nothing will go on
Andaman,
record now.
and whether he was released on that ground.
Nothing will go on record. Sri Krishna ji.
Mercy petition 9 times.
Krishna ji. Sri Krishna ji.
Your approval to be explained by me. I am seeking your permission
I allowed you.
to have a little intervention, provided it is allowed by you.
I have allowed you. You have amply demonstrated your intellect. Let us
Sir, no, sir, it is another issue, sir. On Bhagalpur issue that has been raised by Dubey ji.
No, let us not get into that. Let us not get into that.
Sir,
Let us not get into
sir,
that.
Bhagalpur.
The more. Let us not get into that. Sri Krishna ji, please, Adhir Ranjan ji, please have your seat. Please have your seat. Just. Then again he will stand up and say something else. Sri Krishna ji, please. I'm sorry.
In order, sir.
I'm sorry.
That was in order, sir.
Sri Krishna ji, you can wield your chakra now. Please.
I thank you and the party for giving me the opportunity to speak on the motion of thanks to President's address, sir, to both the houses of the Parliament. Not specific to any region, state or country, but across the globe. Every human has endured one of the most difficult years in their lives, sir, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As we move into the post-COVID era, let us show our gratitude to doctors, nurses, paramedics, police, sanitation workers, and all other frontline workers who have put their lives to risk to help us all sail through this difficult period, sir. It is important to highlight the efforts taken by the state and central governments to aid the recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, sir. We have come a long way in this period. From being a net exporter, from being a net importer of PPE kits, we have become a net exporter, sir. From being a handful of testing labs to 2,364 testing labs across the country, sir. From importing expensive ventilators to manufacturing affordable ventilators, sir. Today, India's vaccine manufacturing capacity is a global asset. We were the quickest to reach 3 million vaccination mark. Made in India vaccines are being shipped globally from Bhutan to Brazil, sir. Even my state, Andhra Pradesh, has done exceedingly well in these difficult times, sir. Andhra Pradesh has one of the lowest fatality rate of 0.8% and one of the highest testing rates of 252 tests per 1,000 people, sir. Today, AP has less than 1,200 active cases, which is a big achievement for a state with 5 crore population, sir. I would like to impress upon the House, despite challenges under the leadership of Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Andhra Pradesh has been ranked as the third best governed state as per Public Affairs Index, sir. Andhra Pradesh has been ranked the best state for ease of doing business, sir. Andhra Pradesh has been ranked second best for commerce and industry in good governance index, sir. Andhra Pradesh is the only state in southern India to achieve positive GDP growth rate and tax revenue growth rate between June to December 2020, sir. While Andhra Pradesh has done well in these challenging times, there are some legacy issues, sir. Inherited from the bifurcation in 2014, if resolved, it will speed up the development story of Andhra Pradesh, sir. YSR Congress Party repeatedly raised the demand regarding special category status to Andhra Pradesh. AP Chief Minister met Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister 16 times since he came to power in 2019, requesting the grant of special category status, sir. Special category status was a promise made by former Prime Minister on the floor of Rajya Sabha during the bifurcation of state of Andhra Pradesh. 15th Finance Commission has mentioned that the union government can take a decision regarding the special category status. In fact, in 2014 Seemandhra election manifesto, BJP itself promised that the special category status would be extended from 5 years to 10 years, sir. We must realize that delivering on the commitment of special category status made to the people of Andhra Pradesh is the only option today, sir. Coming to the second legacy issue regarding Polavaram irrigation project, which is a lifeline of Andhra Pradesh. It was notified as a national project under the AP Reorganization Act 2014. We have repeatedly asked for the clearance of revised cost of estimate of 55,000 crores, sir. We have also requested that the state be reimbursed 1,569 crores, which it has already spent on the project. YSR Congress Party requests that the funding for the project be finalized for the benefit of the drought-prone area of Andhra Pradesh and farmers in that region, sir. The AP Reorganization Act 2014 also committed an annual grant of 350 crores for the 7 backward districts of Andhra Pradesh, sir. However, grants worth 700 crores are still pending with the union government. I request the union government to release these grants immediately, sir. AP Reorganization Act 2014 also sanctioned IIT, IIM, ISER, NIT, Central University, Petroleum University, Agriculture University, IIT, Tribal University, and AIMS in Andhra Pradesh, sir. The funds of these institutes have not been released even after 7 years, except for AIMS. None of these institutes are running in a permanent campus, sir. Recently, the central government took the decision to privatize the Vizag steel plant, which employs 20,000 people, sir. The plant was set up after a decade-long agitation by Andhra people and is the pride of Telugu people. It is only recently that the plant has turned unprofitable. Instead of selling it, the central government should take efforts to bring a V-shaped recovery in the operations of the plant through financial restructuring and bringing captive idle minds, sir. If the legacy issues arising out of bifurcation are resolved, then the resilient, entrepreneurial, and growth-focused people of Andhra Pradesh, led by Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, will leapfrog into the next era of development, sir. The excellent handling of COVID, high governance rankings, and high growth rate are visible to every citizen of Andhra Pradesh, except for the opposition TDP, sir. They have not been able to digest 2019 defeat and are playing the disruptive role in the state, sir. They have manufactured stories either to mislead the parliament or misinform the people of Andhra Pradesh through yellow media, sir. On February 6, 2020, in the same house, sir, a TDP member has claimed that Kia Motors is withdrawing from Andhra Pradesh, sir. Within 3 months, Kia Motors reposed faith in Andhra Pradesh and its Chief Minister, Jagan Mohan Reddy, sir. They came forward to invest additional $54 million, sir. In the same house, they misled, sir. Additional, Andhra Pradesh is a revenue deficit state, sir, but every energy surplus state, sir. Even when the state is energy surplus, TDP signed inflated power purchase agreement, sir. YSR government revised these PPAs. The prices came down from 5 rupees per unit to 2.5 rupees per unit, sir. Today, the taxpayers of Andhra Pradesh is benefiting because of these renegotiated PPAs, sir. Again, they are misleading the people of Andhra Pradesh, at the same time the House, sir. Today, the most dangerous and harmful story that they are trying to brew is about the temple vandalism, sir. We would like to bring to the notice of the House that the state government has already asked for CBI inquiry into this matter, sir, related to the burning of temple chariot at Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple, sir. In many of the temple vandalism cases that have happened in the last 6 months, thorough investigation by state police have revealed involvement of TDP cadre, sir. TDP wants to disturb the peaceful situation in the state. TDP wants to pit two religious communities against each other, sir. These acts cannot be tolerated in our secular democracy, sir. Sir, these people was in 2014, they were sitting on that side of the house, sir. They were enjoying two ministerial berths with them, sir. In 2018, they moved to this side of the house, sir. In 2018, they moved into this side of the house. After loss of the election in 2008, again they're moving back to that side of the house, sir. They're just playing tricks with the people of Andhra Pradesh and this house, sir. Sir, President in his address mentioned about Adarsh Gram. This is a vision of Mahatma Gandhi, sir. Andhra Pradesh wants to achieve this dream.
Mr. Sri Krishna, you have a number of points to make. Don't get distracted.
Yes,
Look at me and make your point.
Andhra Pradesh wants to achieve. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the address. Andhra Pradesh wants to achieve this dream through free and fair panchayat elections, sir. State government has brought a law to control money and liquor, sir. The Andhra Pradesh government has scheduled panchayat elections from March 2020, where there was only a handful of COVID cases, sir. The SEC, State Election Commission, cancelled them by giving COVID as a reason, sir. SEC did not take stock of the situation with either Chief Secretary or with State Health Department, sir.
Can't we
Now, when
avoid this? Can't we avoid this?
Constitutional authority, sir.
Can't we avoid this? This is something,
When they mention constitutional authority, sir, I object to this, sir.
no, you are right,
SEC is a
Mr.
constitutional authority, sir.
If
It
I'm
is
not
better-
misleading the House, sir. If I'm
it-
misleading the House, you
No,
may correct me, sir, but I'm
That
not
is not,
misleading the
that
House,
is
sir.
not, but you are making certain allegations against a constitutional body.
I'm just stating facts, sir, that has happened, sir. I'm not making any
The matter-
allegations, sir.
the
I'm
matter
just-
is sub judice already.
I'm just rephrasing the facts and events that have happened
I
across
have
across
told
the
you,
last
you
1 year, sir.
are intelligent enough. The matter is sub judice.
Sir,
It is better
sir,
if you
The
avoid.
chair can examine and delete it, sir. The chair can examine and delete it, sir,
It is
afterwards.
better if you avoid it. I would
should be
like to see
expunged,
it
sir.
again.
Now, when
chair
the
would
attention
like
of
to
the
see
whole
it.
country is on COVID vaccines, sir, the SEC wants to hold elections, sir. In the unprecedented move, SEC asked for Panchayat Raj Minister. SEC wanted Panchayat Raj Minister to be placed under house arrest, sir. Luckily, the High Court intervened and overruled this, sir. In another surprising move, the SEC questioned India's
Again, SEC, sir.
India's long-standing tradition of unanimous election. This country has witnessed unanimous elections even to the highest
Mr.
constitutional offices of
Sri
President and
there
Vice
are
President, sir.
some more members of your party to speak.
No, sir. Just me, sir.
He is the second member, but you have time, but there are some more members, the list has come. Sorry? 2 minute में खत्म कर लीजिए.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
2 minutes.
Sir, the country has witnessed unanimous elections, sir, even for the highest constitutional offices of President and Vice President, sir. Even at Panchayat level, we have seen unanimous elections across the country in states like Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, which preserve social harmony, sir. The Andhra Pradesh government is continuing this tradition, sir. With the actions of SEC, there is a feeling among the people of Andhra Pradesh that SEC is fighting the elections on behalf of the opposition, sir. As our democracy matures,
Yes, your rule.
Parliament needs to have a look into the appointment process and
Which
powers
rule?
distributed to the. I'm concluding, sir. Powers attributed to the SEC, sir. I'm just concluding, sir. The COVID-19 pandemic has showed us that the.
Just a moment. Which rule?
52, sir.
3?
352, the same rule that
352 subclause
our
5.
friends is used against us. He's mentioning the SEC over and over again, who is a constitutional authority, sir.
I have already
The elections
given-
are going on
I have
right
already-
now. Cases have been filed in the courts also. All of these
I have
things.
already said it. Yes, please complete. Please complete.
Sir,
SEC also, sir.
sir,
Please complete.
you can go through the speech, sir.
I will do.
So, in conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has showed us that people and government need to come together in crisis, sir. Similarly, state and central government needs to come together for a recovery, sir. Be it delivery of vaccines to all Indians, providing tap water to every household, laying roads, developing ports, bringing investment, generating jobs, elevating poverty, securing the food and energy needs of all Indians, sir. The center and state needs to come together to realize the vision of a prosperous and peaceful India, sir.
Thank you.
So I just conclude, sir. Today I have expressed to you the anguish of 5 crore people of Andhra Pradesh. All MPs from Andhra Pradesh have raised these issues repeatedly in the past 6 years, sir. The commitment made to Andhra Pradesh under the Act of Parliament have not been honored, sir. The issues that I have laid before the House today are not mere words and numbers, sir. They are the dreams and aspirations of people of Andhra Pradesh
Not-
who have
not been
ignored for a
honored
long
fully.
time. Starting with special category status, the central government must deliver on these promises, sir. I once again, I wish
Thank you.
in the next presidential address, I hope these special category status are mentioned in this next presidential address, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. once
Thank
again.
you, Sri Krishna. You have very rightly mentioned COVID-19 has acted as an X-ray. It showed us the skeleton, as it has been mentioned by the Secretary General of United Nations. It showed us the skeleton. How weak we are and where the muscles are does not matter, but we have to fight back. Thank you, Mr. Sri Krishna. Now, Janab Danish Ali.
धन्यवाद.